Good morning, everyone! Happy Thursday, guys. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and nandito kami ngayon sa Westfield, Carindale. At naka-aura ang family because... What are we doing today?
We're going to see Santa!
Yes! We're going to take photo with Santa, guys. So, yearly namin itong ginagawa. Daddy Mike and Ate Paris. Oh, very cool in here. Alam niyo ba, hindi na ako masyadong nahihiya mag-vlog kasi ang ating camera ay hindi na malaki katulad ng ating Canon. Bahala na sila magtinginan. May news pala kami. Ate, come here. Look. Bungal na ang ating Ate Paris. It happened last night, guys. And sabi ko, perfect talaga timing, oy, kasi mag-Christmas photo with Santa. Tapos, bungi. Tingnan niyo. Okay, so cute. How you gonna smell, Nakbe? What's wrong? Are you cold?
No, I'm scared.
Don't be scared. You don't be scared. Okay? You don't be scared with Santa. Because Santa's gonna give you presents.
What time is it?
12:15.
What's it go?
Still got 40 minutes.
I got a couple of $2 coins.
Diba? Kaming mga girls naka-pink, guys. I wanted Daddy Mike to wear pink, but ayaw niyang makisama. Don't be scared, baby! Tingnan niyo ang outfit namin, guys. Don't be scared. Bakit natatakot kay Santa? Ano? Bakit natatakot kay Santa na? Otherwise, Santa's not gonna give us present. They're scared.
Let's hope so.
Kinakausap ni Daddy Mike.
Give you presents. He wants to give you visit. Do you want Mickey Mouse too? You have to tell Santa, man.
Tingnan nyo, hindi sanay na walang ipin sa harap. Hindi niya maklose ang kanyang...
What about if Daddy comes with you? Daddy said to Daddy to ask him. Daddy will come with me if I ask him? You have to.
That's okay. After photo with Santa, we're gonna have ice cream.
Oh.
Okay, Santa will be like, okay, you're a good girl. I'll get you ice cream. Okay?
He'll even give you a surprise.
That's right, yeah.
Give you like
Woohoo! Masabi ko kay Daddy Mike ba, kahit mag-whites siya para maano sa amin. Ano ba, ay, tawag ko eh. Match ba? Ayaw mo na. Maglahi man sa iyong bangan. May batang kailangan naming aliwin. Kasi natatakot kay Santa. Yeah, that's where we're going, anak. Pupunta kami, bibili kami ng candy. Sabi namin na ibigay nila kay Santa. Oops. Yay! Look! Go down! Go! Look for your candy you're gonna give to Santa, okay?
I'm going to get a lollipop for me.
Okay. Sugar mania. Oh my God. Sugar pa mo.
I'm gonna like it when I get
Alam mo para iso? Sugar? Hmm? Hi, how are you? Oh, thank you. We're gonna... Oh my God. It's okay. We'll go down. We'll just go down. We'll go down. We'll just go downstairs. Sorry. Can you carry her, Krista? Sorry. Oh my God. okay? Oh, you watch it.
Yeah, you just watch.
You just watch. It's okay. It's alright. Mama is here, okay? It's alright, my love.
It's okay, Lily.
Mama is here. Kid. Okay, you don't need to look, you don't need to look at Santa, okay? You just sit on Mama's lap. That's all you do. You don't have to worry. It's okay. Come on, because we're gonna go get a present. What are we getting today from Santa?
Stand like this.
The Mickey Mouse phone. Okay, we're not gonna go to Santa. We're just gonna get the present, okay? We're just gonna get the Mickey Mouse phone. Magawa tayo ng lugaw, guys. Anong oras na ba, eh? It's 3:41. So, hindi ko na-vlog kanina, guys. Nung nandun kami sa shopping center para sa photo with Santa. So, it was a disaster.
Mama, I'm still crying.
Go run. Go run. So, tumuloy pa rin kami kahit
Mama,
na
go down.
si Baby Celine ay umiiyak. Kasi nga, yung appointment namin, 12:15. Like, only, like, few minutes, like, pag karating mo doon, upo, picture, alis ka na. Kasi, nakapila mga tao eh. Sobrang busy.
Abba!
You did?
Yeah.
Kama ba?
I can't.
So, yung nangyari, nung turn na namin, sobrang lakas ng iyak ni Baby Celine, guys. Alam nyo ba, tinatakpan niya yung mata niya kasi natatakot daw siya. So, iyak siya ng iyak, tapos, hindi siya nakatingin sa camera, obviously, kasi tinatakpan niya yung mata niya. And then, yung mga nag-take ng picture, sabi niya, okay, ganun na lang. Kahit hindi siya tumingin, kami na lang tatlo. Yeah, Daddy Mike, tsaka Nati Paris. And that's what we did. That's what we did. And the whole time, si Baby Celine, guys, like, she was hysterical. Like, sobrang napaka... Ewan ko, bakit natakot siya, guys? Ewan ko bakit takot siya. So, I got upset as well. Kasi, parang, it's only like once in a year. Like, ito yung memory na gusto kong i-keep ba? Alam niyo yun, no? May pictures kami like every Christmas.
They're so big.
That's artist, that's why.
Mommy.
Nakita ko yung last two pictures namin with Santa, the last 2 years. And nakita ko talaga yung kaibahan, malaki na yung mga kids. And this time, gusto kong ganun din ba? Yung parang yung proper na photo with Santa para for memories. And yun yung nangyari. So, alam niyo, after doon, hindi na dapat, sana may mga plano pa kami yung gagawin doon while nandun kami. Hindi na, sabi ko, let's go home. Kasi na-stress si mama niyo, guys. Na-stress talaga. Ewan ko, yung buhok ko nangalagas na, guys. Ka-stress ko doon. So, wala. Hindi kami pumunta na magtingin-tingin pa doon. After straight away, pumunta ako ng sasakyan. Drive na ako pa uwi. Umuwi kami dito sa bahay, guys. Lumabas ako kasi parang ako ng tawag doon? Ng fresh air. Kailangan kong ilabas yung parang ka-stress ko ba. So, naisip ko, pumunta muna ako ng post office kasi kailangan akong i-pick up. Uwi ko dito sa bahay, guys. Ay, sinalubong ako ni Daddy Mike. Sabi niya sa akin, okay na ba daw ako? Yan yung nagustuhan ko rin kay Daddy Mike, kasi hindi niya ako inaano kapag nasa point ako na parang ayaw kong magsalita, na parang upset ako, ganyan. Hindi din siya anong tawag dyan sa Tagalog? Dili siya magsurang-surang. Dili ko niya surang-surangon. So parang hinahayaan niya ako na maghilom. And then, pag okay na ako ganyan pa siya magsasalita sa akin. So, nung pagka-uwi ko dito kanina, and sabi niya sa akin, guys, na gagawin daw namin ulit ngayong gabi. So, sabi ko, ayoko na, kasi parang tama na yung stress na kanina. Okay na yun. Sabi niya, hindi kinausap daw niya si Baby Celine. And, apparently, nag-oo daw si Baby, nag-pinky promise daw si Baby Celine na okay daw, na she'll be alright taking photo with Santa. So sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na wag na. Sabi niya, isayang naman, binayaran ko na yan. Binayaran na daw niya kasi binabayaran niyan before. Pag nag-book ka, bayaran mo kaagad. So kaya kanina, kahit na umiyak si Baby Celine, ay kailangang anuhin din namin kasi binayaran na yun eh. So binayaran na daw niya. Sabi niya, babalik daw kami doon mamaya. So pagka-uwi ko dito, iba na yung mga damit ng mga kids kasi pinahubad niya. Sabi niya baka madumihan. So, oh my God. So, yeah. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano nito, guys. Kasi, yun lang naman talaga yung healing ko, guys. Yung proper photo lang talaga with Santa ba? You promise you're not gonna cry later? Yeah? Thank you, promise? Where's your baby? You promise?
You were saying.
What happened? Did you write on your hand? Okay. I love you. You got nothing to be scared of, okay? Okay? Santa is a good man. Hmm? Love you. Love you. Did you utot before? No, was allowed utot? Knock lang ako.
What happened?
Abo. Can you see? It hurts. Do you have enough?
I want to.
Caro, and then before we go. Very sweet.
Holy cat.
Ang kanyang ate ay nakatulog, guys. Si ate lost her tooth.
I said long attitude.
Your teeth dito your teeth, eh? Wow, that's why you brush your teeth, okay?
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It's now 8 o'clock ng gabi. So, it is our second time today second attempt na mag-picture with Santa. Sabi ni Celine, mag-smile na daw siya. Hindi na daw siya matatakot kay Santa. So, kakarating lang namin dito, tingnan nyo ang ginagawa niya. She's doing the same thing again. Oh my God.
I'll talk to baby.
So, yung nakuha ni Daddy Mike na appointment, guys, is talagang pinaka-last. So, 8:58 ng gabi. And yeah, so we still have like another hour. We'll see. Oh my goodness. Say hi, guys. Hi, Jules. So beautiful. Alam niyo ba? Wala ang pungag. Alam niyo ba kanina umaga nung nandito kami, yung tawag dito, yung babae doon sa store na pinuntahan namin. Uy. Ay. Pinicturean silang dalawa guys kasi napaka-cute daw. The same sila kasi ng damit. Oh. Wow, I can see your kilikili. I can see your kilikili. Ayan! Ang kilikili! Wow, careful anak.
Nene,
Careful kilikili.
which picture do you like the best?
Heart.
Which one?
Heart.
Show me which one.
Which one is yours, ate?
Can I see?
This one. Big mommy finger will. I you.
Relax muna namin itong patubot na to.
Give me my money. You're allowed to.
Here?
Yeah. As long as you turn it. I like the dog.
Can you get one paper for the
Wherever you go, that's where I'll.
Guys, it's just something realistic.
hindi ko na-share sa inyo guys yung alam niyo ba itong kuko na to?
What you do?
Ay, ang tawag ito guys? Ginlo ko lang. Okay, just look at one in the camera, okay? Hmm?
Just look in the camera.
Yeah, just in the camera. You don't have to look at anyone. Okay?
And Dad, there's those squeaky toys that are very funny.
Yeah, I know. The very funny squishy toys.
Maybe you can ask. Maybe I can ask if she can hold one.
So we finally made it.
Round 2.
Yeah.
Got there.
Kailangan pa namin i-blackmail guys para she was not really like smiling like her proper smile, but it's better than covering her eyes.
She looked like she was taking a photo from the electric chair. Like that, ready?
Yeah. But yeah, it's much better than before. We'll see kung anong magiging resulta ng ating pangalawang picture.
Celine did it.
Andito lang kami sa queue, guys. Hinihintay namin yung linya.
Celine did it.
Very proud of you, honey.
Wait, how did you get one?
Huh? One each.
I didn't see her get one. Hi guys, so I'm going to unbox these. Celine has one too. So mine is a necklace and I was going to unbox it. I got this and she got a tiara. I'm wearing these ears. And hair. So we're going to take these out. Did you take those out? I'll remove your elf. That's got a little elf here. No. Okay, let's take out the receipts. Then the other elf. Because the other elf is special. Let's look at this head. Okay, so we're going to unbox it. Making so much mess. And look at it. Let's show you what I got. It looks like this beautiful pink necklace. Even though it's so expensive, $22. Yeah. It's $22. Oh my god. So cute. I love it so much. And I
You
love
wanna put the
it.
tiara, Lee?
So let's put it on.
I'll take the tag
We're
off.
gonna fast forward. Mom, look at this. Mom, they want to open this too?
This is for now. Yeah.
Ah, can you open? Can you open that, please, Mama?
Sure, honey.
Daddy, they haven't even moved. Okay, you just took our to the center. That's why I got these little ears. Jingle bell, jingle away. All is
Put it on now?
Thank
You
you.
wanna put your tiara?
Mama, can you help with this? Can you help me put this on? So I'll show you what I look like. I'm dying to have my mom say hello. I take this. I'll put this on.
Oh, Lily showing her hand. Whoa. It's so cute.
Sorry. I put this on too. So here it is. That's just me.
Okay, Mama will do it properly. Huh?
Okay, I want to tell you the experience about this. Sorry.
Oh my god, you're so beautiful.
I like that it's a low part and it just matches my dress. That's what people say. Kissy face, send here, go. I'm trying to kiss it like for real. They want to put this off your dress? Me?
You want to?
Yeah, because I have this crown.
Okay.
See? See the Sophia crown?
Yes.
Look at it.
It's beautiful.
Sophia.